Hey, my people, I hope you are all doing fine. I really missed you guys. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Lola, and today I begin my day at our farm here in the village. So I'm heading over to the maize farm to get some corns for breakfast. So I'm here at the farm, and oh, just look at this fresh green maize all around me. The air smells like rain even though the sun is out, and I'm just grateful for this little slice of nature. So I'm picking a few corns. They look so good. Just see this. So I remember when we were kids, we used to run in the maize fields, playing hide and seek, especially in those farms that were close to home. So, and sometimes we would also plait maize hair, pretending they were dolls or our own hair. Oh my god, I miss my sisters. And eventually would also find the juiciest maize to roast behind our grandmother's kitchen. Life felt so simple back then. Nature really gives us everything, even toys. I am back home, and my jiko is ready. The charcoal is crackling just right. So I'm going to roast my maize here. There's something about roasting maize on a jiko that hits different. No gas, no electricity, just fire and patience. And you know the smell, guys. So I'm roasting the maize, and it's turning golden, and it smells so good. Oh my god, this is my childhood. So I'm heading inside to get myself a cup of tea. As I sip my tea, I'm thinking of how we used to sit around the fire and eat as we told stories in my grandmother's house. Why my grandmother's house anyway? Alright, my grandmother was the soft kind, and there were always people in her house. So we wanted to be in a place where we feel a little freedom and where there are just lots of people, because that would mean lots of fun, lots of laughter. There were always cousins and many other relatives, some of which she could not explain to us how we were related to a level that we could understand. Anyway, that's how most grandmothers are. So honestly, I'm really enjoying my corn. Nothing tastes better than food made with love and firewood. After that little breakfast, I'm heading to my kitchen garden. It's so peaceful out here. It's calm. And if you are my follower, you would know how much I love my kitchen garden. I swear this place heals my spirit. Here are some spinach that I showed you in my last, I don't know which video, but I had showed them to you before. And today they have grown enough and I want to plant them right here. So I'll have to do some digging. I'll have to prepare the soil before I can finally transfer my spinach. So I am done I am done digging and breaking the lumps. So I'm making some holes for the spinach, and the soil is soft enough for the spinach roots to stretch and grow. This is a lot of hard work, but yes, it's so rewarding, because since I started working in this kitchen garden, I don't buy most of my vegetables. Okay, I got some chicken manure and I'm adding them in each hole. This is a natural fertilizer that we trust around here. So I'm going to place them carefully on each of the holes, and then I'm here to get my spinach from the seed bed. One by one, gently, and as you can see, I'm covering them with soil. I hope that is just so that they don't dry up. I don't want to interfere with their roots. There are lots of them, so I just took the ones that can fit this space, so the rest I'll transfer to another frame. I'm adding water into the holes before I finally get to plant my spinach. We have not had rains for some time, and this is just a way to ensure that once I plant them, they won't dry up. After watering, I'm carefully planting my spinach into their new home, one by one, gently pressing the soil around them. It's amazing to think how these tiny green little things will grow into full healthy leaves soon. Nature is truly magic. It asks for so little and gives back so much. With everything planted, I'm going to add in some water again and let it soak into the soil. I know the spinach is going to do well. I feel so nice, I feel so satisfied. It's like reading the last chapter of a good book. I am done, guys. That took a lot of sweat, but this is what I have done. So thank you so much for spending this beautiful day with me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, keep loving nature.